The journey of glass begins not with its creation, but often with its precise division. Here, the final product is meticulously shaped by diamond-tipped precision.
But before precision cuts, there is extraction. The fundamental ingredient for glass, silica sand, is harvested from vast open pit mines, a testament to nature's raw contribution.
Back at the factory, the sand is combined with soda ash and limestone, meticulously mixed before facing the inferno. Inside these colossal furnaces, raw minerals surrender to immense heat, transforming into a glowing liquid.
And then, the magic of the float process. Molten glass, still glowing fiercely, is carefully poured onto a bath of liquid tin. Here, it doesn't just cool, it floats, achieving...
As the glass ribbon extends across the molten tin, it cools, solidifying its pristine flat shape. But the process isn't complete. It then enters the annealing layer, a controlled cooling tunnel essential for preventing internal stresses and ensuring its strength.
To truly understand the journey of glass, we must rewind. Far from the heat of the lair, our story begins here, in the heart of the earth. This pristine silica sand, the fundamental building block, is carefully extracted. If you're fascinated by how everyday objects...
From the mine, the raw silica undergoes its first transformation. Conveyor systems transport it through a meticulous process of screening and washing, removing impurities and ensuring a consistent particle size. Every grain must meet exacting standards.
The purified silica sand, alongside other crucial ingredients like soda ash and limestone, now arrives at the heart of the manufacturing facility. These towering silos stand ready, a testament to the scale of modern production, each holding a vital component for...
The recipe for perfect glass is precise, and the batch house is where it all begins. Here, silica sand, soda ash, and limestone are weighed with absolute accuracy, then carefully combined. This perfectly proportioned mix is critical for the final product's clarity and strength.
Now, the meticulously prepared batch faces its ultimate test, the colossal melting furnace. Here, at temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius, these raw materials will undergo a truly incredible transformation, fusing into the liquid glass we know.
From raw materials subjected to immense heat, we witness the birth of molten glass. This incredible transformation happens at temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius, creating a liquid so pure and consistent it flows like a luminous river.
This isn't just about melting, it's about perfect consistency. The glass must be free of bubbles and impurities and its temperature precisely controlled. It's a delicate dance of physics and engineering, ensuring the molten river is flawless before its next critical step.
And here, the magic truly unfolds. The molten glass, guided by gravity and its own surface tension, meets a bath of molten tin. It's here that it achieves its legendary flatness, floating effortlessly like oil on...
The float glass process is a testament to engineering brilliance. The molten tin, being denser, supports the glass perfectly, allowing it to achieve a flatness that would be impossible with traditional methods. This ensures the uniform thickness and optical clarity we demand from modern...
As the glass ribbon travels further down the float bath, it enters cooler zones. The molten tin gradually cools the glass, allowing it to solidify into a continuous, perfectly flat sheet. This controlled cooling is essential to prevent internal stresses and ensure the glass's structural integrity.
As the glass slowly progresses along the molten tin, a critical transformation occurs. The controlled reduction in temperature allows the material to solidify, forming a perfectly flat, continuous ribbon.
With the glass now a solid sheet, it leaves the tin bath. But the journey isn't over. To prevent internal stresses and ensure its strength, the glass must undergo a crucial process: annealing.
Within the annealing layer, the glass isn't just cooling, it's healing. This slow, precise temperature reduction prevents internal stresses from forming, which could otherwise make the glass brittle and prone to shattering.
And there it is, the culmination of the precise annealing process. This perfectly cooled, stress-free glass ribbon is now ready for the next stage. If you're as fascinated by these incredible feats of engineering as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification.
Now, the perfectly formed glass ribbon meets its next challenge: precision cutting. Automated diamond-tipped wheels score the surface with incredible accuracy, preparing it for the final, satisfying separation into individual sheets.
Once perfectly scored and snapped, these vast glass sheets aren't quite finished. The raw edges, though clean, demand meticulous refinement to ensure both safety and structural integrity.
This isn't just about removing sharp edges, it's about perfecting the optical clarity and strength of the glass. Each sheet undergoes a multi-stage polishing process, ensuring every millimeter.
With the edges perfected, any remaining abrasive slurry or dust must be meticulously removed. This industrial washing process, using deionized water, ensures a truly pristine surface.
Even after extensive polishing and washing, the quality control process is far from over. Advanced optical inspection systems now scrutinize every square inch of the glass, searching for even the tiniest. With flawless clarity and perfectly polished edges, these glass sheets are now ready for their next transformation. They are carefully arrayed on specialized racks, poised to receive the advanced coatings that will define their final properties.
With the raw glass sheets now perfectly formed and cooled, they are meticulously transferred to the coating chambers, where specialized layers will be applied to enhance their properties.
Within these highly controlled environments, advanced processes like sputtering or chemical vapor deposition apply microscopic layers. These coatings are crucial, providing properties like UV protection, anti-glare, or even self-cleaning capabilities.
With its new coatings applied, the glass now undergoes a critical preheating phase. This gradual temperature increase prevents thermal shock when it meets the molten tin. If you're finding this journey into glass manufacturing fascinating, why not hit that subscribe button?
This is the heart of the float glass process. The preheated glass, now soft and pliable, is floated directly onto a bath of molten tin. The tin's perfectly flat surface ensures the glass spreads out to an incredibly...
As the glass emerges from the molten tin, it enters a long annealing layer. Here, it's carefully cooled at a controlled rate, a crucial step to eliminate any internal stresses. This ensures the glass becomes strong and stable, ready for its next stages of processing.
As the glass emerges from the annealing layer, its journey through controlled cooling is complete, preventing internal stresses and ensuring its remarkable strength.
With the glass now stable, the next crucial step is edge trimming. High-precision diamond cutters remove any imperfections, ensuring perfectly straight and uniform dimensions.
Now, the large sheet is precisely cut into custom sizes. Robotic arms, guided by intricate programming, score and snap the glass with incredible accuracy. If you're fascinated by these marvels of engineering, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
After cutting, the glass panes receive a meticulous wash. Deionized water ensures no mineral deposits, and powerful air knives leave them perfectly dry and crystal clear, ready for final inspection.
The final stages involve robotic precision. Each pane is meticulously stacked, while optical sensors perform a comprehensive quality check, ensuring every single piece of glass meets the highest standards before it leaves the factory.
With each pane perfectly aligned, the automated transport system moves the freshly stacked glass towards its next critical checkpoint.
To safeguard their flawless surfaces, each glass pane receives a meticulously applied protective film, a crucial step before they are prepared for their journey out of the factory.
Even with advanced automation, the human touch remains vital for that final assurance of quality. If you're fascinated by the incredible precision behind everyday materials, hit that subscribe.
The final stage of protection begins as robotic precision ensures each perfect pane is nestled securely into its custom-designed transport crate, ready for the world outside.
From raw materials to perfectly packaged products, these glass panes are now ready to embark on their journey, destined to become windows, facades, and vital components in countless structures worldwide.
With the glass panes securely crated, the final stage of their journey begins. Automated guided vehicles navigate the immense warehouse, meticulously organizing each shipment, ensuring every pane is ready for its final destination.
From the organized stacks, the crates are swiftly transferred to awaiting transport. A ballet of forklifts, both automated and human-operated, ensures each truck is loaded with precision and speed, minimizing downtime.
And with that, the meticulously crafted glass panes begin their journey, ready to become integral parts of countless structures worldwide. If you're fascinated by the incredible processes that shape our modern world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more behind-the-scenes access.
Even as the trucks roll out, the precision continues. Every crate, every pane is accounted for. Digital manifests are cross-referenced and barcodes scanned, a critical final check to ensure the right product reaches the right destination.
And so, the journey begins. From raw materials to finished crated glass, these panes are now ready to travel across continents, destined to become the transparent backbone of our modern world. A testament to industrial ingenuity and precision.
From the heart of the factory, our finished glass begins its incredible journey. Destined for architectural marvels across the globe, each truck carries not just panes, but possibilities.
After miles of travel, the cargo arrives. This isn't just a delivery. It's the next critical step in bringing a vision to life, transforming raw materials into architectural statements.
The delicate dance of precision begins. These immense panes, weighing hundreds of kilograms, require absolute focus and specialized equipment to ensure their flawless transition from transport to installation.
Now, the true artistry of installation. Each pane is a puzzle piece, carefully fitted into place, transforming steel and concrete into a shimmering facade. And if you're fascinated by how these incredible structures come to life, hit that subscribe button to...
And there it stands, a testament to innovation, precision, and the remarkable journey of glass. From raw silica to this breathtaking facade, every step is a marvel of modern engineering. What an incredible transformation. If you enjoyed this journey,